Hello good people, welcome to my YouTube channel. You have to prepare for this. For me, what I did, I went step by step with my book, which helped me really release myself from the pressure of self-publishing. From the moment I started writing, which was in 2018, about 2018 there, when I started writing my book, I already knew the processes that were going to be involved, and I already found out about all this information. So the first thing I did is find out where I need to invest first. For me, I knew the first people I will have to pay are editors. The basic standard is usually 500 a page, and a page is calculated about, when you put your script in Times New Roman size 12 with 1.5 spacing, about 250. That will make a page, and that will be 500 shillings. Don't cut the number of pages in your book because of publishing editors will really help you with that, but their cost is usually high because obviously you're not writing a 2-page document, you're writing a huge document. So yes, that is the cost of editing, and then there's the cost of book design. This always depends with the different graphic designers. I would really advise you go with a designer who is experienced in books that are published or who has worked with books that are already published. So you will spend quite a hand there, I won't lie. Those people are paid a lot of money, but again, their products are really nice. This was the fourth. I did a video explaining the process we did with the book cover design and what it all means. But this cover, I did get a professional to do it. You need to get professionals to do your cover. It will cost you a lot. So for me, I started with first considering the editing cost, which is quite unpredictable, especially when you start writing. It's a cost that you find out when you finish writing. However, you can always estimate and start saving towards it. And if you're in good rapport with these people, I think the best way to get in rapport with them is network before you even start writing. You can be able to pay in bits if you're self-publishing. I was writing my script, then I had it proofread by myself and by another proofreader, and then I had like 4 beta readers, and after that I gave it to an editor. So by the time it was getting to an editor, I had enough time to save up to have my book edited. After that, I was already considering the book design, even though after editing I had some time with my book again to read it, make corrections, refer it back to the editor to just make sure that things are in good hand. Then I had the book designer as well. So that's a cost in itself, but the greatest cost you're going to meet as a self-publishing author is printing. Printing is where many people spend money. You can spend as much as 100,000 depending with the size of your book and what you're writing about. In Kenya, the more books you print, the cheaper it is. The lesser books you print, the more expensive it is. It ranges from about 200 shillings to 500 shillings to 700 shillings to 1,000 shillings depending with the size of your book.